That was so sick.
Rainbow.
I got him. I got him.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wisconsinite Angles. Today we are going to be fishing brown trout. We're at the Milwaukee Lagoon yet again. Hopefully we can get on them. It is early out right now, so
It's about 7 o'clock. It is about 35 degrees out. It's a little chilly. So we're going to head over to the lagoon and we'll catch you guys there. Stay tuned. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Nope, he's just chilling right here. Oh, dude. Dude, he'll eat. He just freaking destroyed this thing. Holy shit. Oh, he'll eat, dude. Oh, dude, he did it again. Come, yeah. It's right here.
what?
Did you see that?
Yeah,
He just freaking annihilated my thing again.
that's bizarre.
Oh, that was 3 times in a row. He just goes like this real quick and like chases it. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. That beats.
Oh, dude. How's the grind, eh?
That was definitely a grind.
It is currently, what is it, 11:15?
11:08.
11:08.
My clock's on.
Oh, okay. It's 11:08. We've been here for 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
Yep.
Nothing yet. Aiden had a big brown, big female, right? Come right up to your bait.
I had one actually hit my gulp shad, but
And then I had a male follow me in and then never came back. So we're gonna go grab some lunch, right? We're gonna go grab some food.
I'm gonna grab a muffin.
All right, he's gonna grab a muffin.
Collect two.
And then we're gonna head to port. So hopefully we can get on him there. All right, guys. Spot number 472 was a bust. We're going to Fat Boys right now. I think we're gonna try for some burbot. We've never caught burbot before, but they're running right now, right?
Yeah, that's what they said.
They're saying they're catching them over here, so
Come on.
we're running to the bait shop and probably gonna pick up some shiners or something. They're gonna set us up with a rig. I have no idea. We have no idea what we're doing. We're kind of just
Never fished burbot before.
trying to catch
that's for sure.
trying to catch a fish for you guys today. So
It's been a grind.
we've only driven about 4,000 miles and went to about 17 spots. But let's go get on some burbot. Scratch that. It's so muddy, guys. It literally looks like chocolate milk. So we're not even gonna try. We don't really know what we're gonna do right now, but we'll keep you guys updated. I can barely make. I got him. I got him. Oh!
You got a stick. Some days are just like that. Rainbow. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's a. What is that? Is that the brown?
All right, guys. We have been grinding.
Very slippery. Beautiful brown trout. Caught him on the fox spinner. Silver. I'm gonna let this guy go.
He's ready.
Oh, he's slippery. There he goes. He's ready to go. Little brown. There he goes. Off he goes.
Let's go.
That was sick.
Oh, something just bit my thing right when it hit the water.
Yeah, probably a trout.
What the fuck was that? Did you see that? I had it hooked for like 2 seconds right when it hit the water. There's that dark shell. Oh, he ate it right when it hit the water. Did you see that? Oh, that was so sick. That was so sick. Oh, right when it hit the water, dude. He like jumped out of the water. Holy, that was so sick. There's another one in there with him. Oh, I was rolling for that. Let's go. First fish of the day, well, for me. Check her out. Alright guys, sorry about the lighting. Just gonna quick outro for you guys real quick. Overall, pretty tough day. Not much else you can do. You know, trout fishing is always a grind, no matter where you are, what you're doing, how you're fishing for them. It's always a grind. So we were lucky to get one, that little brown, natural brown, that was so sick. Caught a nice little coho as well. This car is gonna screw up my audio here. Thank you. And if you guys haven't already, check out our brand new podcast channel. I dropped our first podcast about 3 days ago on that channel. We're just gonna be doing like, you know, a couple uploads here and there throughout the week. Just talking about whatever you guys want to hear. You know, on our Instagram story, we'll post some polls. Whatever you guys want to hear, we'll talk about. So I'll leave that at the very top of the description below, so make sure you go click that link and hit the subscribe button over there. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. One last thing, for you guys that aren't tuned into our Instagram, I got a brand new puppy. Say hi, Kaya, come say hi. Her name's Kaya. It's a Pomeranian and Husky, I think. It's a mix between the two breeds. She just wanted to say hi real quick. Tell him to subscribe. Tell him to like the video. Say peace out.